Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. The question is, do I get paid my disability benefits for back pay in a lump sum, or do I get paid over time in this bit and then this bit and then this bit? So the way this works is that for SSDI-based claims, Social Security Disability Insurance-based claims, Title II-based claims, I'm just giving you how it is. The way they disperse those back pay / retroactive benefits is in one giant lump sum. So you go from, where's the money, to, I'm going to buy a property. And that's how that works. So what you need to know is basically that for SSDI benefits, you get a chunk of money right when you're found disabled. Well, it takes a month and a week, basically, from that letter. Now, with that said, and that can vary the month and a week. With that said, something else you need to understand is that for SSI Supplemental Security Income Title 16 based benefits, that's the poverty program we're talking about now, with those, they release them in 3 payments. The first payment that you receive of your back pay, which doesn't include retroactive benefits because for SSI it's only back pay considerations. SSDI includes retro and back pay. For SSI, back pay only, what it means is that for your first check, right, your first lump sum, you're getting 3 times what your monthly disability benefits would be for SSI. You're getting 3 times. So 3 months into a lump sum, and you get that. That's the first 6 months. 6 months go by, and they keep changing that. It used to be way less than that. It used to be like, for the first month you get this, second month you get this, and the next month. Now we're up to 6 months because they're trying to bleed out slower. The SSA super fund. 6 months go by. They release another 3 months worth of back pay to you. So they take 3 months of what your a month would be, but they add it up, they give that to you in your back pay. Remember, that's if there's money left over. Then we go to 6 months later to our third back pay check. Whatever is left of all that. So whatever is left, right? Whatever is left from all of your back pay, they take it, they put it in a ball, and they hand you the ball. And that is the final amount. You get everything at that point. Whatever's left for your supplemental security income-based benefits, you get it. That's the final disbursement. There's 3 of them. You get the third one, they're done. They're out of the picture when it comes to back pay at that point. Now, what does everybody do? So, if there's a chunk of back pay and they want to buy a little piece of property with a trailer on it or whatever, it's up to you, whatever you want to buy. What they do is they go ahead, get their first back pay check, they go to find something they want to buy. They take an image with the price, what it is, what you're trying to buy, what you've negotiated it down to the SSA, and you ask for an emergency release of funds to pay that person to buy that thing to make you not a slave to what's called the landlord, which is almost as bad as being a slave to what's called the HOA. If you are a slave to the HOA, I'm sorry, you may not actually be living in America anymore. It might be a weird little freaky place where the HOA gets away with murder, basically, and nothing happens to them. That's where we're at with HOAs at this point. It's quasi-America, but you don't have a lot of rights. They've taken it all away. You want to have a flag outside of your house? Bad monkey. You want to have a dog? Sorry, Cinderella. You want to have a... what's another one? You want to have a truck with a little bit of rust on it, right? You want to have one of those? Not happening. Belinda I'm trying to think of a cool animal. Tyrannosaurus Rex. You want to have... I'm trying to make up weird names that, because the whole bad monkey thing reminds me of Ross from Friends. And I'm trying to think of Belinda and... What's that one animal? It's not a rhinoceros. It's they're in the water together sometimes. Hippo. Yeah, anyways, that's the animal I was going with, but it didn't work out. So HOAs basically control your life. They have the capacity to restrict all these things, which is why HOAs have completely fallen out of fashion. Most people are not wanting to buy into an HOA because it's just another form of slavery. There used to be this argument that, oh, we're controlling our neighbors. This is a good thing. No, dummy. You're controlling yourself, and your neighbors are trying to get away with crap, and you're basically stuck with a bunch of snitches living in like this crazy universe where you basically have idiots trying to tell you how to live your life. Honestly, if you can't realize that, you've got a problem. Okay, now that we've enjoyed our soapbox, yeah, that is how they disperse funds for Social Security disability benefits. SSDI, lump sum, boom, you get it. SSI, 3 checks. Now, what happens if you only have enough for 1 check? You only get 1 check. What happens if you only have enough for 2 checks? You only get 2 checks. What happens if you have a ton? You get the first 3 months, 1 lump sum, 6 months go by, you get another 3 months lump sum, another 6 months go by, you get the whole remaining amount. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have a question for me, that's fine. Shoot me an email. If you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email. If you want me to add something to the video list idea, that's fine. Shoot me an email and we will go from there. Have an absolutely wonderful day. I'll catch you a little bit later, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.